Yikes, look at this. And the ski lifts are closed though. So this is another Dylan's Travels channel top find. It's a Monte Baldo, and it's in Italy. We're kind of near Lake Garda, and the lake, just we'll show you in a second, all the way down there, behind these sort of buildings and stuff. But what you can do, you can get a cable car, which is, you know, on the screen earlier, and it's 25 euros per person. It takes you all the way up to the top and then back down. And when you get to the top, you kind of got this like amazing mountain view of Mount Baldo and all the surrounding mountains. You've got the snow, and I guess that sometimes you can ski here. But if you're ever in Italy and you're at Lake Garda, it is worth coming all the way here to do this, because on a nice day, you can see for miles. The lake looks stunning, and it's just an amazing thing to do. Now, we traveled from Simone to here, and you have to be careful. The last bus, I think, to get back to Simone, if you come from there, is at like 5 or 5:30ish if you want to make it back in time. But what you do is you get 3 buses. Google Maps directs you perfectly. If you're coming from Simone, the second to third bus, it's actually the same bus, it just changes number. But make sure you wake up early and leave lots of time to do it. And pretty much when you get up here, restaurant, walk around, probably bring some hiking gear. But yeah, we're just gonna have a few drinks and beta day 40. You know what, 5 euros for a margarita up here. That's not half bad, you know. There's a restaurant all the way down there. One here, nice few drinks to, you know, have a little look over. Look at the view. Let me show you the view of the lake, because we're probably gonna have a little walk up there all the way to the top and go to a restaurant that's a dedicated pizzeria. So we get a bit of a walk and we get a bit of pizza. But I mean, this view of the skywalk Monte Baldo, this is quite stunning. Damn. That is one lovely view. Right, Harriet, is that a lovely view?
Yeah, lovely. Aperol spritz over.
Spritz, Aperol spritz. Oh, there is. That's a classic drink. I don't know what it is, but I feel like Italians love Aperol spritz. I've seen a lot more of it drunk here, considering it's winter, than I have in pretty much any other place. Yeah. So we're in our second restaurant. Look at this view. We just had some food outside, and the reason why I'm wearing my mask is it's freezing. So definitely bring some warm clothes. But this restaurant's lovely for a drink, the other one's lovely for some food. I think we're and the sun sets right now. And the cable cars leave every like 30 minutes at each station, and yeah, it's lovely.
Speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down. Make her go east. You got money, but some other time.
We're going up to sunset, wasn't it? He kind of just looked at me. Oh my god.